Lovable.dev artificial intelligence tool allow us to create web applications and SaaS application prototypes in no time. So it's a no-code environment fully supported by AI large language model that is fine-tuned for application development and specifically for web applications. It is fully capable of using Angular, ReactJS, and Vue.js frameworks to generate code that you own, and you can even connect it to GitHub to push that code to GitHub in your repository and allow us to connect our front end to backend database. One of the supported ones is Supabase at the moment, and which is a feature-rich Postgres-based online service that we have used in our earlier parts as well. High quality software without writing a code, and then we have prompt to edit 20 times faster than coding, and you own the code. That is interesting, and how we can sync our code to our GitHub repository. Once we push the code, if we do some manual changes in the code, they will be reflected back to Lovable as well, as Lovable is connected to GitHub. And if we go to other things, we can find some examples here. So here is some pricing, but it has a free plan with 5 prompts per day, although it is quite low, but sufficient enough to test. The another similar service is bolt.new that allow us to do the similar thing that we are doing with Lovable. Another similar service is bolt.new uses AI prompts to generate web and mobile applications. And it is pretty similar to what we have seen in Lovable. For this video, we will be continuing with the Lovable. Let's sign into Lovable.dev here. Let's create our first application using prompt here now. Let me craft a small prompt. Create a React TypeScript application with landing page for customers management application with moving gradient back, dark blue background, login page, setup, and dashboard page with left navigation menu showing customer option at the moment. Later, maybe we can have more options and we can prompt to have other features there. Customer options should show data grid with customer rows and allow CRUD operations. I can also specify the exact columns here, but let's see that what it is doing for us here. Header area shows customer count and search through customer options. So let's see what it actually generates for us. It is trying to execute the prompt. Now it has identified the features, landing page, authentication, dashboard. Well, where is the sign up? Maybe I have missed there. Sign up was there. It has the styling. Sign up is there under authentication. And we have styling information as we described. Gradient animation between black. So here we have a landing page, and Lovable generated a project name customer dash galaxy dashboard here, which we can change, and we can have another name here. We can change all of these things that are generated by artificial intelligence for us. And if we have a look at here, I have created a beautiful customer management application with a dark theme, animated gradient background, and full CRUD functionality for managing customers. If I have a look, there is an error when it was being built, and I can try to fix this error. And more exactly, type 2 is not assignable to none icon of canvas, and I ask it to fix in dashboard layout component. I see the issue. Let's fix this using one of the allowed values. And it's going through the process. And there is another error now. Well, I have limited prompts. Build error, and it is again in dashboard. So let me ask to fix it. I can manually fix them as well. Sidebar functionality now works correctly with proper TypeScript types and state management. So let me try create a sign up. So I can log in using hello@hello.com and then hello 123. So here I have the grid where I can add customers is here, and I can edit it. I can delete that customer, and I have the sidebar here. It's showing me the total number of customers as well. I can add a new customer. I have responsive design, and what if it's not showing me the log out option here on the dashboard that I can ask it to create? Option at bottom of site navigation. So it is changing the dashboard layout.tsx file for us. And here we have the logout option. Hello at hello.com. Hello 123. And we log in here. So one thing you notice here is that we added a customer and that is not appearing here because we have not connected it to Supabase. And this is the next thing we are going to do. I have connected my Supabase account with Lovable here. And now I can create a new project. And here I can define customer app. And then maybe for this example, secret password 123. I've copied this password. Now my database is created and I can get back to customer Galaxy here and try to connect to my customer app project. Now create tables and allow store data in database. So let's see if it creates a table. It's generating the create table and all the data definition here. Running the migration to create the tables. Now it is updating the dashboard.tsx to store the data in Supabase table. Now after this operation, let me add test customer here. With some phone number and I click save. Try to fix the error. Now it is changing sign up and login pages. And then sign up. To sign up again. Test user, test user at hello.com. Test user 123 and then sign up. Another error. Lovable is suggesting me to turn off few settings for development in Supabase, and I'm going to email here under authentication provider section, and I'm turning off few things here. Getting back to Lovable, I've also fixed one more problem in sign in page. Now let's go to create a user here. And meet 1, 2, 3, 4, and let me sign up, log in, beta at hello.com, and beta 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have, customers now, and let me create a customer, test customer, and test customer email, and maybe some phone number here, and customer created successfully, and we can go to Supabase to verify that thing. And in customer table, here we have our test customer, so it's posted correctly. And under authentication, I have different users that we just created. Now I like to push this code to GitHub, and for that purpose, I'll be connecting my Lovable account with my GitHub account. And I have option transfer repository here. This project is connected to Green Forester Customer Galaxy dashboard. Now if I go to view on GitHub here, I can see that all files are pushed here and we can pull them on our local machine and open in VS Code if we like to. If we make a change here in any file, that will be reflected back immediately in Lovable as we are connected. Now I like to publish it, and to publish I have multiple options here. Like I can make its visibility public, reply using subdomain, and I can use my own domain names as well if I like to. I'm publishing my web application to web. I open it. Here is my web application, and I can log in. I can share this URL with anyone